There is a nice vintage singing bird cage that I just finished restoring. It has a different style to it than most. It's the cage design is different. I like it. It has a classic vintage look. Totally refeathered the bird, in the traditional grease bomb style, red and black. New premium velvet flooring. I also restored all of the foliage, the red berries, the black forest mushroom. Shined up the metal cage a little bit. Not a full restoration on the metal cage. I wanted to maintain some patina, but I also wanted some shine, and then restored the base. Let's listen to it play. Pause feature first. You notice how it stops? That only happens when the bellows and the mechanism operate perfectly as they should. We'll go to continuous. The song is strong. It's clear. The notes oscillate as they should. It really sounds nice. All right, it's about 2 minutes. Take care.